Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT to create ebooks for free. There are several reasons why you should create an ebook if you are an online marketer or a business owner, a freelancer, or just an individual who want to make some money online. The first reason is Amazon KGP. You can create ebooks and publish on Amazon KGP and make some passive income. Secondly, you can publish a gig on Fiverr as a book writer. If you go to Fiverr and search, you see a lot of people who are making money by writing ebooks for people. And you can also offer the ebook as a lead magnet to collect emails if you are a blogger or a marketer. And also, this is one thing most people don't think ChatGPT can be used for, and that is you can use ChatGPT to create newsletters for your subscribers. So there are a lot of reasons why you should create an ebook. And creating an ebook takes a lot of time and effort. But with ChatGPT, within 30 minutes to an hour, you can have your ebook ready. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So the first thing you have to do is go to ChatGPT. If you don't know ChatGPT, I created a full video about it. Just check the video description and click on the first link. But I'm pretty sure if you are watching this, you know what ChatGPT is. Anyways, so first of all, we are going to use ChatGPT to do keyword research. So let's say you want to publish your ebook on Amazon KGP. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to give us niches that are popular in Amazon KGP. So just type in as we can see. So ChatGPT is generating books that are popular or bestsellers on Amazon KGP. It means if you write an ebook on any of these topics, you are likely to get sales. So first of all, we have fiction, non-fiction, children's book, fantasy and graphic novels, memoirs and biographies. So I'm going to choose self-help as my niche. And under self-help, we have a lot of sub-niches. So I'm going to choose leadership as my sub-niche. Now to create a book, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a list of titles that I can give to my book. So first of all, I'll ask ChatGPT to give me a title. Give me a killer title on leadership, and let's see what ChatGPT have for us. Lead like a boss, master the art of leadership to achieve success and influence in business and life. So this is a nice title. Let's say you don't like this and you want more. So I just want 5 more titles so that I can choose one from them. So write 5 more. So just go through the list of titles and select the one that you like. I like title 4, The Power of Visionary Leadership, Transform Your Organization and Your World. So that's the title of the book I'm going to use. So I'm simply going to copy the title. Then I'll ask ChatGPT to write 10 chapters. You can ask it to write any number of chapters you want. I want a short to a medium ebook. So I'm going to ask it to write just 10 chapters. So write 10 chapters on. Then I'll paste the title. Then click on enter. this is so mind-blowing. With just some few seconds, Chat GPT has generated 10 chapters and subtopics. This is more than enough for a full ebook. So first of all, we are going to take chapter 1. And under chapter 1, we have sub-chapters or subtopics. Define visionary leadership, the importance of visionary leadership in today's business environment. So first of all, copy the title. Then open a Word document or Google Docs. I'm going to use Google Docs. So I'll paste my title here. So paste without formatting. Then that's chapter 1 of my book. Then under chapter 1, we have defining visionary leadership. So that's a sub-chapter. So I'm going to copy it. Then I'll paste it here. What we are going to do now is we are going to ask ChatGPT to write on each of these subtopics. So first of all, we have defining visionary leadership. So just copy the title from here. So define, then paste your title, define visionary leadership in details. And here we go. Within some few seconds, it has generated a nice essay on visionary leadership. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy this. Then go back to your Word document and just paste it here. So as we can see, our book is coming together. So this is chapter 1. So I'm just going to select this. And under normal, I'm going to use heading 1. So apply heading 1. Then under the subtopic, I'm going to select it, go to normal, then select heading 2. So that's how I'm going to format my book. Now, we are done with the first subchapter. That's defining visionary leadership. Then the next one is the importance of visionary leadership in today's business environment. So copy that one too. Then ask ChatGPT to write more on this. So write more on. Alright guys, so within a few seconds, ChatGPT has generated the content for us. So the next thing is to just copy it, then come back to the Word document. So that's the second subtopic. So paste. Okay, so the second was the importance of visionary leadership. So copy the title here. then paste it here. So select the title, and the normal, we are going to give it H2. So apply H2 heading. So that's the second subchapter. So you can go on and write a full book. So you can see that we are still in chapter 1 and we are already having 2 to 3 pages. It means by the time you are done with the 10 chapters, you will have about 30 to 40 pages, and this is more than enough for an ebook. I don't want to waste your time, but I just want to show you how to do it. I hope you can continue from here. Once you are done creating your ebook, simply go to Canva and create a book cover for your ebook. I'll leave a free 30-day Canva trial link in the video description. When you click on the link, it will take you to Canva. Sign up for a free account. So once you are logged in, simply search for ebook, then hit enter. So as you can see, we have a lot of book covers that you can use for your book. So just choose any one of them, modify it to fit your needs, and you are good to go. Also, if you are creating your ebook, make sure to include visuals to make it more appealing. So to get free images, simply go to unsplash.com and search for a keyword. So you can see that here we are talking about leadership. So just type leadership. You can see that we have a lot of images related to leadership. So just identify a keyword, come to unsplash.com, search the keywords, and you get images related to that particular keyword. So once you are done, you can go to Amazon KDP and launch your book. Now, how do you price your book? First of all, you have to check the prices of already existing sellers. First of all, you can identify best sellers on your niche. If I identify that the average price is $10, then I'm going to price my book for $5. Then when you are beginning to get traction and you are getting a lot of orders, you can increase your price to whatever you see fit. The same thing applies to Fiverr. If you are going to create a gig on creating ebooks, you have to check the prices of the already existing freelancers. Then you charge half of what they are charging, and you can increase your price as time goes on. Alright guys, so let's leave it here. I hope the video was informative and educative enough. If you find the video useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.